How do your favorite producers use one sound and make it sound amazing? Well, you layer 10 sounds and it still doesn't hit. Because layering isn't about adding more. It's about adding the right sounds with purpose. And honestly, when I first started producing, that was me too. My tracks felt empty, flat, and nowhere near as big as the tracks I love. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 layering techniques that make songs feel bigger, more emotional, and way more addictive. Let's dive in. Technique number 1, removing the fundamental. The fundamental is the main note or core weight of the sound. And if multiple layers all carry strong energy there, they can clash and make the stack feel muddy. So let's say I have my main 808 sub here, but I really want to add some texture and movement for that Weeknd vibe with a respace. And the main thing is, I don't want these two bass elements to clash. So if you're using Serum, there's a really cool function in there called Remove Fundamental. You just want to go up to each oscillator, hit the pencil icon, go Process, and Remove Fundamental. This removes the main pitch weight from the Reese layer. So here are the basses before removing the fundamental. And then after removing the fundamental, so the 808 keeps the body, while the Reese adds movement, texture, and character. But what if your layers aren't really muddy, they're just static and lifeless? Technique number 2, layering with movement. If your layers are static, the stack can sound flat, even if your sounds are good. Try adding one layer that moves. That could be an arpeggio, rhythmic pulse, filter movement, or tremolo. This adds energy and interest without overcrowding the arrangement. In Zayn's track, Die For Me, here's the chorus with just the static chords. And to really add that movement, we've got some pizzicato violins that are outlining the arpeggio of each chord. So what if the layers move, but the chords still don't feel big enough? Technique number 3, layering with octaves. Take the same idea and duplicate it an octave above or below. I want to show you an example of this using the Harry Styles track, Aperture. So if we have a look at the main chord set, they sound like this. So if we were to layer that with another track of the same octave, it would just sound really muddy and crowded. So to create that separation and space in your layers, try adding the same chords with maybe a different sound, but an octave up. And this is what it sounds like. And we've done the same thing with the more percussive keys that come in. Here's the lower octave. Then adding the higher octave. And notice on each element, I'm placing one octave on the left and one octave on the right. And this is a fantastic way to enhance that sense of space and give your tracks that width. So because each layer lives in a different range, you get more size and excitement with less masking. And this is why so many choruses feel huge, even when the harmony's simple. And if you're watching these and thinking, I know these ideas, but I struggle applying them in my own songs, that's exactly why I built the Music by Chi Academy. It's my course and producer community where I help artists and producers make better songs, finish more music, and actually understand what to focus on next. Inside, you'll get training, feedback, and direct support from me. So if you want help beyond watching YouTube videos, I'll leave a link below. Back to the video. But what if you want size without adding any new notes at all? Technique number 4, the pedal tone. A pedal tone is where one note stays constant while other chords move around it. Try holding one top note or bass note while your progression changes underneath. So if we have a look at this section in Tate McRae's It's Okay, I'm Okay, you can hear the chords moving without a pedal tone. This is what it sounds like. And here it is with a rhythmic pedal tone, a C sharp in this case, playing along the top. This creates glue, tension, and a small emotional pull, and this can instantly make chords feel more intentional. So what if now the chords feel better, but the stack just feels too crowded? Technique number 5, chord tone layering. Instead of layering the full chord again, try using just one note from it. This can be the 3rd, 5th, or even the tonic of each chord. And if you can combine this with a sound that has a different texture, it'll sound even better. So if we look at these chords in Tate McRae's Just Keep Watching, here are the chords in isolation. And now if for each chord we add a chord tone on another instrument of a different texture, it sounds like this. This adds support and depth without making the stack muddy. Sometimes all you need is one extra note on top of a chord. Thanks for watching, and if you want my help taking your productions to the next level, check out my new course and academy below. And if you enjoyed this video, check out this one over here. I think you'll really enjoy it.